Assalamualaikum class. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So it's our second lecture. So we will discuss the angles. Okay, here we have angles. So first of all, in first topic 5.1, we will discuss labeling and estimating the angles. Okay, here we start this one. Now, before we start, you know what is angle. Okay, the turn between one direction to another and other direction, that is called angle. So you can measure angle in degrees. Okay, that is the unit. One whole turn is equal to 360. That is written like 360. This show degree. Okay, so you cannot write degree, you just draw this small one, so it's mean this one is degree. Now, labeling and estimating the angles. Let's suppose you have a half turns. Okay, so the half turn is 180. Okay, if you have complete circle and the half of this one is called 180 degree. Okay, the quarter is called 90 degree, and the acute angle that is less than 90, obtuse angle is more than 90. Okay, this one angle is less than 90 and the other one is more than 90 but less than 180, that is obtuse angle. And the right angle is that's you can find with the help of this one. And one more, there is a reflex angle as well. Okay, that is more than 180 but less than I think 270 or 360. So here, for example, here is we have first example. The angle CDE is the right angle. Okay, so CDE, that is your right angle. How big is reflex angle CDE? Okay, so you can see from here to here is equal to 270. Okay, so this is called reflex angle because it's equal to 270. As I told you, reflex angle is more than 180 but less than 360, or I think 270. Let me confirm and then I will tell you. Okay, reflex angle CDE is 270. The two angles at D point, D add up 360. 360 minus 90, that is equal to 270. With the help of this, you can solve this all. Okay, so here sketch the triangle. This diagram show the ABC. Sketch the triangle. You can draw the triangle like that. Mark the angle CBA. Okay, and don't give him a name like that. You give him a name CBA. Okay. So give a three letters names for each of other two angles. Okay. So you also give him the name like that. Let me show you. Here we have. No, I cannot find it. No problem. So next, say whether each of these triangles are acute, right angle, or obtuse angle, or reflex angle. Okay. So as we already discussed, this one is less than 90. This is acute angle. This is from here to here. It's more than 180, so it's a reflex angle. This one is a right angle. The D part is your obtuse angle because it's more than 90. Okay, this one, this side is a reflex angle because it's more than 180. Okay, and this one is also a reflex angle, so you call it reflex angle. Okay, here are the size of some angles, whether each of one is acute, right angle, or obtuse angle. So class, as I told you, if angle is more than 90, so obtuse, but less than 180. Okay, if it's less than 90, acute. If it's equal to 90, that is called right angle. And if it's more than 180 but less than 360, that is called reflex angle. Okay, so all of you remember this thing. Okay, so first one, A part is 120. Obviously obtuse angle 60, acute angle 200, reflex angle 300, reflex angle 10 is also acute angle, 170 is also obtuse angle. Okay, so angle ABC, question number 4, is a right angle. The angle ABD and DC are equal. Find the angle AB and D. Okay, so what is ABD? ABD is your 45 degree. Okay, why? Because the line is drawn from B to D, is in between A and C, means the middle point of the A and C, 90. Okay, so half of 90 is 45. And if you're talking and this is also a acute angle, it's less than 90. The other one, reflex angle ABC. Reflex angle means outside, so this one is equal to 270. Okay, so if he said reflex angle, so uh, EBC, so he's talking about this side. Okay, let me show you. Here we have, so reflex mean he's talking about this side. So this one is called 270. Okay, 270. If you are talking about this one is called 45. Okay, this is also 45. 45. Okay, now here next one, 45 and 41. Reflex angle AB and D. ABD is equal to reflex angle of ABD. So that is only 45 less, means 315. Okay. So here you write 315 because we just minus 45 to make, and he's talking about from here to here. Okay. Why actually I cannot do this because already I write here, that's why. Reflex angle CBD. So C, B and D is the same. Okay, both have the same answer. Now every angle in each of the triangle in this diagram is 60. Okay, so find the size of these angle, like ABC. What is ABC? So this one all is 60, this one is 60, from here to here 60. Okay, 60 is here, 60 is here, 60 is here, all sides are 60. So if he say ABC, from A, B and C, A, B and C, what is the angle of A, B and C? So it's equal to 120. Okay, so right here 120, because 60 plus 60, 60 is here and 60 is here. Okay, so 60 and 60 is equal to 120. AMC, AM and C same, 120, 120. MDE, MD and E, 60 degree. Okay, so I like that reflex angle. Once he say reflex angle, so class please make a angle that is more than 180. Okay, so he say BMD. Here is B, M and D. Once he say BMD, so I am taking outside because this, otherwise this will make a wrong one. Okay, so BMD is 60, 60, 60 and 60. This one is 240. Okay, now next one is reflex angle of AMF, AM and F. So he's talking about AMF, so A, M and F. So I'm taking this from here to here. Okay, so 60 plus 60, 120 plus 60, 180. 180 plus 60, 240, 240 plus 60, 300. So this one is 300. Sorry, actually I cannot control my mouse. Okay, so with the help of this, I hope all of you understand. So here he say each of these angles are the multiple of 30. Okay, so the state, this one is not 30, this one is 60. It's more than 90, so it's mean it's equal to 120 because it's closer to 90. Um, here 90 less. Okay, so if we take off 90, so this one is 270. It's a 30 multiplied by 9. So this one is 30. This one is take off this one 120 from your so how much left? 240. Okay, and here we have 60 left, 300. Okay, I hope you understand. It's so easy, you can do it very easily. So same like that, draw 5.2, draw and measure the angles. So we already did a lot of things. Let's suppose you have these sides. Okay, so let's suppose you have only this side, and how will you find? So you know this straight line is equal to 180. So 180 plus 65, you can easily solve this. Okay, So don't feel that it's tough or like that. So it's so easy. Okay, so let's suppose you have this side and he say other side is 360. Okay, so 360 minus this side, you will get 245. So first of all, estimate the size of each of these angles, then measure each one to see how close you are and where is the correct answer. Okay, so what we will do here, you can see where the each of these angles, how to close and where to the correct answer. um, okay, he said estimate it, so it means we can estimate anything. So as usual, let me show you. Let's suppose this one is 90. Okay, this one is 90. If I draw from here, so here to here is 45, so it's more than 45. So we call it, this one is 60. First one you write here 60. That is my estimate. Okay, as it is like that. Okay, from here to here, this place is 90. No. mm, mhm. Now from here to here is 180, from here to here is 45. Okay, for 180 plus 45, that is 225. So you write here 225. Okay, same like that. This one is look like 60, no, 45. So you can minus this 45, so 315 here, and this one is 120. And same like that, if this one is a straight line, that is 180, but it's less than that. So I think it's nearly 150. Okay, for E. And if we are talking about G, so this one is 60, so this one is, I hope, 300. So because it's look like 300. Okay, this one is 45. So no, 30. 30 is better. 30. Mhm. And this one is 120. I just take off mine 120, so that is 240. Okay, so like that you can easily solve. It's so easy once you are trying to solve. If you understand 5.1, so that is very easy for you to solve this all. So class, you must have a protractor. Okay, so with the help of protractor, you are just putting there. Okay, and find the 60 angle of 62, 157, all this one. Okay, this is your task. And this one, if you're talking about XYZ, so you know the total turn is equal to 360. Okay, this one is this one, if you're talking about from here to here, so this one is less than 90. Okay, but it's very close to 90. We cannot, we say that like it's 70 or 80 like that. Okay, but here from between this one, so this one show like 45 to 60, but total is equal to 360. Okay, so remember this thing. If anyone you put here, okay, let's suppose you put here 60. Okay, so look at here, if you put it here, before I start, first of all we will make something like from here to here, that is equal to 180. Okay, so and from here to here is equal to 90 degree. So this one look like a 45 and this one look like a 45. So this one is 180 plus 45, that is equal to so 225. 225 is this one. Okay, so how many, 360, so you know 360 minus 225. So how much left we have? That is equal to 25 and 135. 135 left. Okay, so if we have this same, okay, so we divided by 2. If we think it's not same, so just put it, let's suppose we can put here because I think it's look like 60. Okay, this look like 60. So I minus 60 from 135, 135 minus 60. So how much do we have? That is equal to 75. Okay, so you put right here, x is equal to 75. 75. Okay, so x is 75, this z is 60, and this one is 225. With the help of this, other after that you can using protractor and find the right answer. Now let's move to the next page. Here we have this one. You can do it again, the same thing. You just, if this one is 60, so that is 300. He say that sum of total is equal to 90 degrees, so 900 degree. Okay, so it's mean 300 here, 300 here, and 300 here. Okay, so obviously inside is it's a equilateral triangle, and it's mean the outer side is 300. Okay, all sides are same. um Okay, if the triangle is equator, what should be the, okay, so if you're talking about inside, the inside is 60 and outside is 300. Outside is 300. So the angle of the triangle is these three. Okay, what are the reflex angle? 125 at the corner of the triangle. Mhm. So you take any of these two. So that was show you a reflex angle. Okay, so class, that is so easy, so you will try to do it by yourself. Okay, so next chapter we will discuss in our next class. Thank you, take care, goodbye.